This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and will be sharing you the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Use it as a reference for deciding on your trading plans. Let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Tuesday, 19th July. So when we look at the high impacting news, at 7 AM we have high impacting news on Australian dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we have lots of low impacting news planned for today. And at 8:30 PM we have high impacting news planned on British pound related currency pairs. We don't have any high impacting news planned on US dollar related currency pairs for today. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, so I have already done the bearish channel pattern. Based on this bearish channel pattern, it is very clear that the current price action is in a very strong bearish trend. And another information we have from this price action is it is taking support at the psychological support level of 17,000. And when we look at the past price action, we have noticed the price action to go up to the support level of 1680. And from this support level, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So this area between 1700 to 1680 will be acting as a very strong support zone, because it's going to be a very strong support level from the past price action. And when we look at this bearish channel pattern also, I have drawn two support lines. The body has touched this first support line, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. And also we have noticed the shadow or the wicks of the price action to come and test the lower level of the support line, then to trend back on the bullish side also. So looking at the past price action, we can notice that this lower support line will still be acting as a very strong support line for the current price action. And present price action has taken support on the support level of 1700, and we are noticing a indecision candles being formed at this support level, which shows that both the buyers and sellers are of equal strength. So if you want to continue trading on the bearish side, wait for the price action to break this support level with a high volume candles like this. A long candle has to be formed whenever it has to break a long term strong support levels. Otherwise it will be only a false breakout or a shadow to be crossing this level, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So looking at the current price action, currently the price action is consolidating. Our downside momentum has come to an halt in daily time frame. Let us wait and see how today's candle is going to finish, whether it is going to complete into a red candle or whether we are going to see it into a green candle bouncing back from this support level. So these are all the resistance levels if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame again I have drawn a bearish channel pattern. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on this bearish channel pattern support line, and if the price action still falls further also, we can expect it to take support on this 4 hours time frame bearish channel pattern support line, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, because we have the daily time frame support line also running over here. So there will be a double support, and also we have the daily time frame support level around 17,000, but there is no sign of bullish retracement for now in 4 hours time frame. The price action is still trading on a bearish trend for now in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. Now is the time to appreciate my analysis. Press that like button and give me a thumbs up. Let us continue. For hourly time frame, I am drawing a resistance line over here. So based on this resistance line, we can notice that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish side. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. In the past also we have noticed the price action is struggling to break the support level of 1700. Even if the price action breaks this support level, we have the daily time frame support line and also we have the bearish channel pattern support lines running over here. Only when the price action breaks all these support levels, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. So currently the price action in hourly time frame is under a consolidation. Wait for it to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to consolidate within this resistance line, bearish channel pattern support line. Previously it tested this resistance line and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. So for 30 minutes time frame, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, you can take trades on the bearish side. Currently it has tested this resistance line and we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to trend down on the bearish trend or consolidating within the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame and support level from the daily time frame. I have drawn one more support line for the 5 minutes time frame. We can notice that the price action is consolidating within this resistance and support line between the 30 minutes time frame and 5 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this resistance line or a directional breakout from this support line in order to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.